Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings error in Roblox. So if you're trying to play a Roblox game and you are facing this error, follow these easy steps to solve it. First of all, open Roblox and make sure to sign into your account. Now click on this gear icon and select settings, and here select privacy. And if your account restrictions is enabled, it may be the reason of you are facing this error. So all you have to need is just disable account restrictions, and then go ahead and try to relaunch the game and check the error. And the next solution is again come to your Roblox account settings page, and here select parental controls, and here make sure your parent pin is enabled, and now allowed experiences. Here you have to select 13 plus, suitable for ages 13 and older. And now all you have to need just log out of your Roblox account and log back in and check the issue. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.